Samsung Galaxy A7 2018. Hands-on. Let's get started. First of all, thanks to Vineet from Samsung for helping me with this video. So, let's see the specs. This device comes with a 6-inch SAMOLED display powered by Exynos 7885 SoC coupled by 4 or 6 GB of RAM with 64 or 128 GB internal memory. It comes with rear triple camera, which is the main attraction of this device. It also has 24 megapixel front camera and a 3000 mAh battery. And this mobile is priced in India at a price tag of 23,990 for the base variant, that is the one with 4 GB of RAM. This mobile supports dual SIM and with a dedicated SD card slot. Nice to see that companies like Samsung are providing a dedicated SD card slot. Let's see one of the highlighting features of this device, that is the rear cameras. This is the first Samsung device to come with 3 rear cameras, in which the main camera is 24 megapixel, secondary camera with 5 megapixel for depth effect, and the third camera is a 8 megapixel camera for taking wide angle shots. Let me take some photos and show you how this wide angle camera works. So here is the camera, and now we are in the normal view. And clicking here will take you to the ultra wide angle view. As you can see, the ultra wide angle lens is doing a great job here. It's actually capturing one of the best photos. Let me show you the sample shots. So this is the normal picture and this is the wide angle picture. The next interesting feature of this Samsung Galaxy A7 is this has a side fingerprint sensor, and as far as I know, this is the first Samsung device to have a side fingerprint sensor, which is really nice. But unfortunately, we are not able to configure it as this is a demo piece. They disabled the security feature. This mobile comes with a 24 megapixel selfie camera and the pictures come out really nice. So here are some sample shots for you.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
This also has AR emoji, which usually comes with popular devices like Samsung Galaxy S9, Note 9, etc. and they look really cute. It is very nice to see some of the standout features of S9 or even Note 9 in a budget device. Wait, what? Did I just say budget? No, this is absolutely not a budget phone. So let's name it as upper budget class. So guys, that's all about the first impressions of Samsung Galaxy A7. Stay tuned for the full review. Until then, bye bye. Hey, one more thing. Don't forget to subscribe.